Yeah, in this video we will be learning how to make a college timetable in Microsoft Word. It's very simple and it's very easy. What you have to do, first you have to go to insert, then you have to go to word art. You can select any word art of your own choice, and here you just need to type college time table. That's it. Adjust it as per your requirement. Wrap text in front of text, and then if you have a logo you can put the logo. I already have a logo. Control C, that I have teach you in the earlier video how to create a logo. And after that, in front of text, if not needed, let it be. uh, this bracket, yeah, now it has been adjusted. Then go to insert table, yeah, insert table 7 by 7. Okay, here you just drag it. Yeah. Then click here, increase the font size little bit, 16. Time, everywhere 80. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You have to write down the timing also. 8 hyphen 9. Or select this. And drag it little bit. Because time should not go down. Yeah. Then 9. Do one thing. You just copy paste this. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. You just need to edit the time. 9, 10. Then here 10, 11. Here 12. Here 1. Here 1. Here 2. Here 3. Here 4. 8 to 9. 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. We had missed, 11 to 12, I guess. Yeah, 11, 12, 12, 1, 1, and yeah, 2. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 11 to 12, we'll keep as recess. Right click, merge cells, go to insert, go to word art, and type here, insert word art, recess, recess, put the recess in the center and drag this up, more up. Yeah, press Ctrl E, it should be in center, and then double click on the table, select any design you want. Now this looks little bit smarter. Again, little bit formatting part, double click on the table, go to borders and all the borders. Yeah, now you can fill up all your data. So in this way your is designed. Thank you.